All right, welcome to our video walkthrough of this massive 2-bedroom apartment. Beautifully finished. It's a new renovation. It's only a year old. All right, so let's check out the kitchen first. Okay, so granite countertops throughout. Plenty of cabinet space. Stainless steel appliances. All right, dishwasher. Built-in microwave, gas range, oven. There is a private little patio, which is kind of cool. It's not huge, but plenty of room for a couple of people. All right. That is not our parking, by the way, just in case you were wondering. Sorry about that. That's for another complex. Also in here, we'll find the dryer and washer for the unit. All right, let's continue on to the bedrooms. The first bedroom is over directly to the right of the front door, or left, I should say. So big space, good size windows, sliding glass door, closets with mirror. Okay, let's check out the other bedroom. All right, so plenty of windows, hardwood floors throughout, and your sliding glass door closets right there. And let's see the bathroom next. A double vanity, always nice. All right, tiled floors here. Standing tub shower combo, a little window space and your toilet right there. And finally, well, actually, not finally, there's a little closet here as well, but it does have some good depth to it. And finally, the living room, which is a very good size. All right. And that looks over, so you're actually at the top floor, and it looks over down to the courtyard. And that's Short Street right there. This concludes our video walkthrough. Please contact us if you're interested.